Okay, so today we're going to practice just which is greater, doing our simplification. I'm going to start with writing what I see. So I start with the top, and I have 4 unit tiles on the top. I know that they're positive because they're shaded in, plus -3 unit tiles. And then on the bottom, I put my minus on the bottom. I'm going to put parentheses. I see 2 positive tiles, unit tiles, plus 2 negative unit tiles. Okay, so that's on my left side. On my right side, I'm going to again start on the top. So I have 3 plus -2. And again, I'm going to go on the bottom. I put my minus sign, parentheses. I see 1 unit tile plus 3 negative unit tiles. So I want you to practice writing your original expressions, writing what you see on a tile map. Then you should be able to click this, and we're going to go into the CPM tiles, and we're actually going to simplify it. So I like to start by flipping everything up. So I'm going to take everything and I'm going to flip it. It's usually my first move, and it's really called the distributed property. I'm distributing that negative. And I usually start with that because then I go to 0 pairs, and I might have more 0 pairs after I flip. All right, so I have flipped everything up. Now I'm going to take my 0 pairs. I'm going to start with the left side. You could start with 0 pairs if you want. Notice how when I'm taking them off, I kind of line them up so that I know that I'm actually taking off 0 pairs. With this many, I like to make sure that I'm keeping track of them. Okay, so those are all my 0 pairs. I took everything off the left side. I'm left with 1. And now I'm going to go to the right side and take my 0 pairs off. Okay, so I have all my 0 pairs off. I'm not fully simplified yet because I can also now take off balanced sets. So I have a unit tile on the left, and I'm going to take a unit tile off the right. Remember, I can take off balanced sets because it does change the value of both, but I'm changing the value of both those expression mats by the same value. So it's okay. All right, so what I'm left with on the left is 0, and what I'm left with on the right is 2, and I know that my right side is bigger. So now I'm going to go back into my slide, and it said the value, once I got done with the left side, I had 0 on this side, so I typed that in. And on the right side, I had 2, and I typed that in. And now I got to drag one of these, and 2 is bigger than 0, so I'm going to put in the less than sign because 0 is less than 2. And that means that the right side, which I put right and right, I need to change that. The right side is bigger. And I'm going to drag that here. Well, it doesn't want to let me do that. Come on. I'm going to put that right there. Okay. That's it.